Wait. Before you pay for any AI tool, let me show you this website that gives you every AI tool completely free. Writing, editing, video, voice, everything. Stop scrolling. If you use AI for content creation, business, school, or editing, you need this website right now because it gives you access to hundreds of AI tools for free. 005. What the website does. Instead of searching for different AI apps everywhere, this website puts all AI tools in one place: writing tools, editing tools, image generation, video AI, voice AI, coding AI, marketing AI, everything. 015. Why it's amazing. The best part? No sign-up required, and no ads, or no payment. Completely free tools. Perfect for creators, students, freelancers, and small businesses who don't want to spend money on expensive subscriptions. 025. What you can do. You can create videos, generate images, write scripts, make logos, fix grammar, edit photos, clone voices, build websites, and even automate tasks, all from one single platform. 035. Seat A. If you want more free AI tools, tutorials, and websites like this, make sure you like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe. I'll keep dropping the best free AI tool finds every week. Let's go to our browser, Opera Mini, Safari or Chrome, then type this website called toolf.com. It will take you to their site. Here we come. Are you seeing it? This is all free AI tools you need to know if. Once it take you to the site, then click on the three dots and click Request. Desktop site it enable you. Zoom it, then see the free AI tools you have been waiting for. AI image to video, AI video generator, AI image generator, background removal, image beautifier, image to prompts, online drawing board, free image recognition, AI Qwen image editor, Chinese calendar URL shortener, online code compiler, AI photo generator, base 64 to PDF QR code generator, PDF to word converter, APK decompiler, text-to-speech, Chinese phone number lookup, PHP encrypt decrypt. So many things. Website mirror tool, PDF password remover, IP address lookup. All the hidden AI tools is here. All you have to do is go to this site. Let's go back, then click on background removal. I'm going to upload any image now so that the background will remove. Click on upload image, then click on photo. Library, go ahead and tap any image you want to remove the background. Let's choose this one. Wait for it generating, please wait. Then let's click on download. Allow it to download. After that, tap open, chose where you want to open it. Automatically it done removing the background. See the results. If it's on gallery or files. For me, I chose files. Once it's saved, then go back to your files app. Are you seeing the results now? The background have removed. Go back to the dashboard and see the AI tool. This website divided this tools in different ways so that you will able to understand it clear. If you find this video helpful, click on subscribe button, comment, and share it.